Right, okay, hello, welcome back to the channel. We've got a nice little parcel turned up today. In fact, I've got two, but we're going to start with this one. This should be a PlayStation Vita Slim. Spotted some paperwork in there, so I'm going to pop this off and then just carefully squeak that out. Now the box looks like it's in lovely condition. I'm going to reuse that packaging for something later. What have we got? Well, that's a micro SD card for a PSP, so that's not any good for this. And that is a Vita with no game in it, and oh, there's a memory card. What size card have we got? 4 gig. Pop that to one side. Anything else in here? Nope, no charging cables, no anything. The voucher code, but that's been used. So let's get zoomed in and have a look. Now, holding that down, green light comes on, PlayStation sign comes up. What system settings are we on? .73. Right, okay. So the touchscreen works. That works. That doesn't bop things around. I'm confused. Let me get a cartridge. We'll try Minecraft in there. Which is my little go-to cart because it uses practically all the buttons. I guess I will plug a charger in. No, don't connect to the computer, but at least it knows it's doing something. I'll unplug it from there then, shall I? Let me get back to loading Minecraft. I'll get back to finding a USB socket to plug it into. This one will do. So that's not working. That's not working there. Works here, but not in game. Okay, let me go and have a nose. Right, so I've had a quick nose. Apparently, it's to do with the L and R buttons. So I'll unplug that. Let's get this apart. Sorry, Mr. Mojang, you're going to have to get closed because I need to take the cartridge out. Let's use a smaller screwdriver. Now it could be the left and right buttons, it could be one or the other, but we're not going to find out until we get it apart. It could be the PCBs or the buttons. So that's all the screws out. So much for carefully trying to take this back off. There you go. Right, now you can go over there. Let's pop this off. Now, take the left button out first. Sorry, the right. Minecraft back in. Oh, I didn't need to take it out. On the 1000 model, when you take the back off, you need to take the cartridge out because it is part of that section. So, right. We've got no volume because the speakers are in the back. They're just connected to the motherboard by two spring-loaded little things there. So, let's get Minecraft started again. Bearing in mind we've taken out this right hand. Once it loads, and I get my coffee out of the way. Button's still not working. Just take the right side, left side out, for God's sake. I can't do my left and rights today. Still nothing. Close. Start the game again. While that loads up, I'm going to go to the spares box. Because I do have some left and right PCBs to replace. So yeah, we're still not getting anything on there. What shall we change first? Let's try, what have I got more of? I'll try the left one first. Because I changed a right-handed PCB on one the other week. Oh, helps if I break this off. I mean, to be fair, it'd help if they sent it without the extraneous bits of plastic attached, but for what they cost, in fact, no, they're about £7 a pair, or £8 a pair, plus the VAT and shipping fees. So really, they should peel those bits of extra plastic off. Cheeky swines. Well, let's see if that's done anything different. Continue. Nope. Okay. Before I button that up, I will try the other side as well. In fact, if I just nip this out, that looks quite corroded. That could be. Yeah, because now the buttons are working. Now that right. Okay. First things first. take that ribbon off. Give that a squirt of IPA, and this is a ribbon from 1000. No, it doesn't fit. Hold on. I mean, we have got one in bits here, but of course it's missing. Oh no, there it is. There's one. So if I need to, I can just swap that one over. I hate to think how long that other one has been sat there for. A couple of years maybe. Just hanging out on its shelf. Doing sod all. Now, where is... There it is. Of a trusty brass wire pen, we shall call it. It's not a pen. But I'm going to try and clean that up a little bit. Probably should have done that over the bin. Little bits of mess everywhere now. That's better. Looks much better than the other side. Yeah, that could... Yeah, that looks better now. So let's get you zoomed back out. I am going to give that a little bit of a squirt with some IPA. Where's those other tweezers? These ones are useless. try and put that in and take it out a few times just to give it a bit of a clean up. Right, let's see what happens now. Cancel. Right, so I'm still getting those. Oh, look at that. So just by cleaning it up a bit, I had better put this one in. So the problem was some corrosion on the ribbon cable. So not a huge issue. I might just leave that one in there because it's in now. And I'll put the other one back in the spares bag to be used on another machine. But this looks to all be sorted. So the actual cost of repair for this would have been time, because oops, it didn't cost anything in parts. So left and right, up and down, forward, back, left, right. We'll get the L&R buttons fitted back in. Put that to sleep for a sec. It's in one piece now. Next to continue. So yeah, bit of Minecraft, left button works. I don't know what. Double tap. I don't know how Minecraft works, but the buttons all work. Happy days. So that was a PlayStation Vita Slim where the buttons were working on the main menu but not in game. This little ribbon cable, not this exact one because we cleaned the one that was in there, was the culprit. It had got corrosion on it and was thus telling the Vita that some buttons were being depressed. So it wasn't functioning in game, but we've given it a clean and it's all back and working now. So awesome. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon. Cheers, bye.